Good morning guys, here you've got LG L7 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at first you have to turn it on, just tap on power button at first, it is located right here. Tap and hold. Once you feel the vibration, you can remove your finger from the button and wait till you see the start panel. So at first you have to select the language. In my case it's English. Then tap on next. Now you can connect your device to some network, but also we can do it later, so let me just tap on next. If you get a Google account, you can log in with it right now, but you can also skip it and set it up later. So let me just skip it for now. Now here you've got Google and location services, so mark those data that you want to activate. So smoothly by marking you can activate or deactivate some feature and then click on next. You can add your email account, Google obviously account and Microsoft account, but you can also do it later. So as you can see, actually this phone is already set up, tap on done, and now you can smoothly use it, then configure it however you like from the settings. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.